gusty winds are still
Only
possible
one.
with these thunderstorms. In addition, strong thunderstorms may develop, and a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Detroit River, Lake St. Clair, Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 9:30 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located from 10 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore to 53 nautical miles west of North Cape, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. These severe thunderstorms will be near New Baltimore around 8:15 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge in Lake St. Clair Metro Park Marine around 8:25 p.m. The Ambassador Bridge around 8:30 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 8:35 p.m. Mariners can expect wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Other one. Double header.
I'm gonna get this thing shady.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Salem to Britain and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe
Whoa. Ooh. Sorry about that, guys. We're losing a little bit of connection here.
Keep rapping.
And now it's lagging.
You.
Ah, fail. Why me? Ah.